Suede Nubuck can look incredible. Soft, rich, and full of texture. There's really nothing like it. But if you've ever owned your own suede boots, jackets, or bags, you know the problem. They stain easily and they can look dingy quite fast. A little rain or even a coffee drip can leave behind a stain that's really tough to deal with. Unlike other leathers, suede can't easily be wiped down and conditioned. It needs a little extra care. And let's be honest, no one wants to feel like they're walking on eggshells or that they have to baby their suede jacket or shoes. These pieces should feel wearable, stylish, and easy, something that you can throw on with confidence and not something that makes you nervous every time you put it on. We're sure that you have already seen the other so-called waterproofing sprays out there, but here's the truth. Most of those actually rely on harsh, toxic chemicals to work. Not only do they pose risks to your health, including potential harm to your reproductive and immune systems when inhaled or handled, but they also damage the planet by polluting the air, water, and soil. And that's exactly why we crafted a protector you can actually feel good about using. Our Leather Honey Suede Nubuck Protector, available on its own or as a part of the Suede Nubuck Care Kit. It's safe, effective, and easy to use. It creates an invisible, hydrophobic shield against water, spills, and everyday grime. Instead of worrying about stains, you can actually enjoy your suede pieces the way they were meant to be enjoyed, confidently and every day. With a water-based, PFOA-free formula, you don't have to choose between keeping your suede safe and protecting your health. No harsh chemicals, no long-term worries, just a clean protection that keeps your suede looking fresh without the stress, just like the rest of the products here at Leather Honey. That means everything from suede sneakers and handbags to canvas jackets can stand up to everyday wear, keeping you worry-free and protected. Because leather care shouldn't come with compromise, and with Leather Honey, it doesn't. Here's how to properly use our protector in order to get the best results. Step 1, prep. Make sure your suede or nubuck item is clean and dry before using the spray. If needed, use our Leather Honey Suede Nubuck Care Kit to lift away any stains before applying our protecting spray. Step 2, shake it up. Gently shake the bottle to ensure that our water-based PFOA-free formula is properly mixed. Step 3, spot test. Always spot test in a discrete area first to check for any unexpected results. Step 4, spray evenly. Hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches away and spray in a back and forth motion. Mist a light, even coat across the entire surface, including seams, but don't oversaturate because less is more. Step 5, dry fully. Allow the item to dry for at least 24 hours in a cool, ventilated area. No heat, no direct sunlight. Step 6, repeat if necessary. For added protection, apply a second coat after the first one is dry. If your suede has become less effective at repelling water, you guys can reapply as necessary. For high-use items like shoes, jackets, or bags, refresh protection after every cleaning or every few months to maintain that breathable shield against water, dirt, and stains. Unlike waxy sprays that can change the feel of your suede, our Suede Nubuck Protector is specially formulated to guard without altering color or texture. Your suede stays soft, natural, and breathable, just the way that it should be. It's PFOA-free, made in the USA, and designed to help your suede last for years instead of months. Suede should be enjoyed and not feared. With our Leather Honey Suede Nubuck Protector, you can wear your favorite pieces with confidence, rain or shine. In minutes, you'll add an invisible barrier that keeps water, stains, and dirt from ruining your investments. Protect what you love and let your suede live its best life. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968. For more suede care tips and all your leather solutions, visit us today at leatherhoney.com. I'm Evan, Leather Honey's leather care specialist, and remember that leather is forever with Leather Honey.